Okay, take two. Sorry about that. I was doing a grand tour of the carport area and back gate garden area. There is no garden right now, but it's prepped for that. And then I had a customer come by, so I wanted to make sure they got the respectful tour that they deserve, obviously. So I'm just going to go through the house. I'm running late and the phone is running really hot, so I'm just going to go through the basic gist of the house. Again, we're in Palmcroft, Encanto area, Phoenix, Arizona, just north of downtown. So I'll go through the main level and then outside, and then we'll go upstairs and that will wrap it up. Little bistro set area here for lounging. Same here, but it's totally shaded. Entrance into the parlor. And that gate just leads out to the it doesn't have a garage, it's carport, but that's where it leads. This is Historic District, historic home. This leads into the dining room. Old-fashioned doorbell. Here's another dinette sitting area. Built in 1931. About 4,200 square foot. Arizona room. This leads up to the primary suite, and we'll go through the house actually to get there, but this pergola, that is the storage area for the pool equipment. And we just had some high winds, so the pool does need to be serviced, but the water's fine. Just needs a little chemical and some skimming filtration. That blue door there leads out to the garden area and into the carport area. Subsequently, it also is home to the pool equipment and one of the HVAC units. I'm going to split this in two. We'll go upstairs next.